Hi everyone, it is week 10 of our at-home learning and this is our letter of the week for week 10. Let's have a look and see what letter we're up to. This week's letter is the letter R. R makes the sound R. Can you say R? Look at the picture to show you how to get your hand ready to create the cued articulation for the sound R. The picture shows the starting point of the sound. As the sound is produced, the two fingers are moved only very slightly forward and downward by your wrist action. If you're having trouble getting the cued articulation right, check back on the cued articulation videos from our other lessons. Have a go here at doing the cued artic for R. This is the Letterland character Robber Red. Robber Red helps us to remember that R makes the R sound in words. R. This is an uppercase R. When writing an uppercase letter R, start at the dot inside the letter near the number 1 and write a straight line down. Take your pencil off the paper and go back to the dot at the top near the number 2. Curve around to the left in a half circle and then at number 3 draw a diagonal line out to the right. Can you draw an uppercase letter R on the table with your finger? Or try in the air with your hands? Pause the video here and have a go. This is a lowercase letter R. When writing a lowercase letter R, start at the dot inside the letter, draw a straight line going up to the right, curve down into a straight line, and then come back over the same line and curve to the right and exit in a little flick to the right. Can you draw a lowercase letter R on the table? Or try in the air with your hand? If you need to pause the video here, have another go. This is our letter of the week letter chart. Our letter R chart looks carefully at the pictures and the sounds that start with R. What things can you see? Pause the video here and see if you can name all of the objects that start with the R sound. How did you go? Did you get them all? There was Robber Red, Rocket, Rope, Rabbit, Robots, Red, Rainbow, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Ring and Rose. Did you notice there's an odd one out? Which picture does not belong on this page? If you said worm, you were correct, as worm starts with the woo sound. I'm going to finish by reading you the Robber Red Letterland story. So get comfy and make sure you're listening carefully for all of the words that you can hear that start with R. And have a good look at the picture and use your eagle eye to see if you can spot all of the things in the picture that also start with the R sound. Robber Red is a real troublemaker in Letterland. He carries a sack behind his back as he runs along. What's in Robber Red's sack now? Roller skates, rulers, a radio. He's robbed them all. What a rascal. People in Letterland would really like to see Robber Red behind bars, but he runs so fast that no one has managed to catch him. Sometimes he's hard to recognize. He makes himself look big and fat by hiding all his stolen goods under his jumper. But you won't let the rascal fool you, will you? Have a good look at the picture. Think about what were some of the R words you heard and what are some of the things in the picture that start with R. I can see some roller skates, a red ruby ring, and some people on a raft. Can you see any other things? Tell your mum or dad. Okay guys, that's our letter for the week. Remember, you can always come back and have another look at this video throughout the week to remind you about the letter R. Have a great week this week and hopefully we'll see you soon back at school.